Did you catch this episode 3 of Ted Lasso this year? Athlete can't play because she's pregnant. We're going to dive into it. Hey, I'm Dr. Bronk Henry, pelvic floor physical therapist. I help active women navigating pelvic floor issues like bladder leaks, prolapse, and pelvic pain while they're navigating pregnancy, postpartum, and perimenopause. Today we're going to talk about soccer and pregnancy. The new Stay Into Play FIFA Decision Aid provides amazing guidelines and parameters to support professional athletes and recreational athletes to continue being active during their pregnancy. If you aren't having complications in your pregnancy, it's so important to stay active. You get benefits like reducing your risk of gestational hypertension, reducing your risk of gestational diabetes. They advise to discontinue full contact elements of training after 12 weeks and adopt modified training, low contact, and really individualize per the position and the individual's needs so that they can continue participating with the team. For the athlete who wants to continue playing soccer in pregnancy, to recognize there's so many different ways that they can participate without actually doing the contact element, and passing drills, dribbling drills, conditioning, strength work, and of course, preparing for birth and understanding their pelvic floor. There are so many changes that happen in the body during pregnancy, and it's so important to recognize that things like pain, pelvic pressure, leakage, bladder urgency, those are opportunities to make sure you're working with a specialist so we can get to the root of why it's happening. That's something I do in my practice. Our researchers have also put out amazing guidelines to support returning to soccer postpartum. Again, this is something that needs to be individualized, but you don't have to feel alone, and recognize that postpartum recovery is not one size fits all. There are ways to help support your recovery, your transition into motherhood, and your return back onto the field so that you can keep having fun and kicking it with your friends.